Hello everyone, welcome to this session. We are from MISA technical team. My name is Mukesh, I am Android engineer.
Hi everyone, I'm Swati. I'm a robotics engineer here.
Today we are here with MISA and we are going to show all the setup process in MISA and what are the features available and how can we use MISA. So let's not waste the time and start the show.
Now let's start with MISA setup. We have the MISA Connect app here, and after turning on the MISA for the first time, you will be shown a welcome screen and then you will be asked to connect MISA with the MISA Connect app. So let's see how the scanning page is. We have a QR code scanner on the left side. This can be used for downloading the app, and we have another QR code scanner on the right side which can be used for connecting MISA with the MISA Connect app. I have already downloaded MISA Connect app. I am at the home page of MISA Connect app. So I'll show you how you can connect MISA with MISA Connect app. So from the home page, you can click on the profile icon. Then you will be taken to the My Device page. On the right side, there is an add button. Just click on that. You will be taken to a scanner. Use that scanner and scan the QR code on the right side. Okay, let me scan it for you. So you will be asked to add some device information. Let me add it. You can select a role and click confirm. Okay. Now you have successfully connected MISA with the MISA Connect app. And you can see all the users here. So this is how we set up MISA. And let's move on to the next portion. As you can see, one MISA can be connected to 4 different MISA Connect app users. And in MISA Connect app, in the add device section, you can connect as much MISA as you want. So now we'll move on to the features of MISA. Mukesh, please explain.
Yeah, so let's start the MISA Connect application. So you can also install MISA Connect application from Google Play Store or App Store. I have already installed from the Google Play Store, and you can see in the home screen, we have video calling, surveillance, MISA control, device manager. I am going to explain all the features available one by one. So let's start with video calling. So I am calling to this MISA and let me pick up the call. So I can do like a normal video calling. So this is internet calling. MISA can be at any different place and MISA Connect application can be any different country also. And if you want, you can also switch to voice calling. And I can talk like a normal voice calling from here. So this is all about video call. And we can also do call from robot to MISA Connect. So if some home member or kids, they want to call to the parents, they can also do calling from here. And number of users which is connected with MISA Connect, that option will be available here. Currently I have connected with 1 user, so 1 option is available here to call. Let's do surveillance. Surveillance is like monitoring your home and using MISA camera. And while doing surveillance, we can also see the video and we can also move the MISA robot. So currently I am doing surveillance here and I can move the robot. Okay, and I can also send the message. Great. And when we are doing surveillance, you might have noticed there will not be any changes in this screen because I send the message, so that's why this screen appears. And the third option is MISA control. MISA control is just normally moving the robot in around the house. So in MISA control, you cannot see. It's just like when you are already near MISA, then you can do like normal remote controlling. So MISA has sensor, so she will not drop. You can see. I try to move it further, but she's coming back. Okay, so let's move to the next feature. You can see that history section is available here. So history is about what are the apps and the features some user is using in the MISA. That means whatever application is used here, I can track here. Today, what are the applications used? In the last week, what was used? And in last month, what was used? So, like today, I use Gmail, Play Store, AirBook. So these all features are available here. So we can track what's going on in MISA. Next is MISA Connect. So in MISA Connect, you can see there are listed many features like festival, nursery rhymes, kid story, audio library, good habits. So it's like a reminder, like we can set the reminders in the robot from the MISA Connect application. For example, if it is a Christmas or if it is a birthday or New Year wishes you want to set up. So we can set up the time and the date, and it will play here in MISA at the exactly same time. You can also set like a routine. So if parents are out of home and you want to set the routines the whole day for the kid from morning to evening, so we can go to kids routine, and here we can say we have sleep time, wash your face, dinner time, study time, and all the reminders will be played here in the form of videos. The small video clip will come of 20 second, 30 second. MISA will wake up at the same time and it will play the video. We have also good habits and some nursery rhymes, kids story. So this is really a very interesting feature. So this was all about main feature in the MISA Connect application. And if you are facing some problem or you have some feedback, you want some improvement, any comments, we have feedback section directly here. So you can send us feedback from here also. We also have feedback section in the robot, and we can also send from there. That's all about the MISA Connect. And we'll show the next feature.
Now I will show the UI of MISA. So as you can see, this is the default UI of MISA, but you are free to use the normal standard Android UI. I'll show you how you can go to that. You have this admin section. In here, settings. In here, you have to enter the admin pin. Okay. From the settings, you have the exit MISA mode. So now you are in the standard Android screen. All the apps are here, and you can also go back. There is an icon here to go back to MISA screen. Now one by one, let me explain all the features. So first we have the video call. So you can call to the MISA Connect app from here. All the users are available here. And then we have the messaging section. From here you can send messages to the MISA Connect app, and all the MISA Connect app users will be receiving the messages. Now I'll show you our video app. We have thousands of hours of free videos available in this app, and these videos are ad-free and they are also kid-safe. You can see videos from popular kids channels here, and all these videos are getting played from the cloud, so it's not taking up any space. So now I'll show you the edutainment section. So you can see that there are so many apps here, and we have a common app platform here. We have more than 200 apps and games inside this. These apps and games are from different categories like learning, math, coding, etc. And you can even set different profiles for the kids as based on their age group. And you can see like there are games and apps from popular brands like Moments, Mr. Bean, Little Miss Inventor Coding, etc. And you can even see the progress of the child. You can track the progress. You can see their skill levels, how it's improving. You can see cognitive, math, literacy, life skills, and in which level they are. So that's about the MISA edutainment section. Now I will show you the app box. We have app box here. Inside app box there are all the standard apps of Android that are available here. We also have the Play Store. So users can download apps from Play Store, and those apps will also be available here. And even using the MISA Connect app, you can block the apps which are downloaded from Play Store. Now I will be showing the AR books. So MISA has an AR camera here. So using this camera, MISA will read books for you. So let's see how this works. So I have taken a book. So we have added around 50 top-rated children's books. You can purchase it from Amazon, and the list is available in our website, and we are constantly updating the list. We are adding more books from the backend. So yeah, start reading. You have to keep the book. Okay, let me increase the volume.
Little blue truck. Horn went beep. Engines purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down.
You can just
the
keep
road.
on turning the pages.
Said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak. Sheep said baa. Cows said moo. Oink said a piggy. Beep.
You can even turn back.
Little blue
It will
truck
read
came
the pages
down
for
the
you.
road. Beep said Blue.
So that's how AR book works. So we also have the browser here. It's a normal browser. You can use it like how you use the normal browsers. And other than that, we have the karaoke. So Mukesh, can you show how karaoke works?
Yeah, definitely. So MISA will come along with two karaoke mics. So one
Blue
blue
and
and
pink.
one pink. And we are providing karaoke application. So in back side, you can see we have karaoke slot here. Both mic we can inject. And so there are many children karaoke songs available here. We can sing. So I'm not good in singing, so I will just show you the demo. So this is how karaoke works, and we can also record while doing karaoke, and we can play it later. So yeah, little hard part for me. Okay, so let's talk about accessories. So MISA in the MISA box, it will come with two karaoke mics here, one blue and one pink. Also, it will come with the charger. So it has 5-volt output and 4 ports available, USB ports. So 4 MISA robot we can charge with the same charger. It also has multiple connector here, multiple ports. So according to country location, we can change here. So it will fit almost worldwide in every location. And yeah, USB port also will come. Let's talk about the connectivity option available here. So we have USB port available, and also we have external SD card slot. You can, if you want extra memory, 128 extendable it is, and then 2 port. And yeah, so we have sensors here, backside, front sides for the obstacle sensor, and we have drop sensor at all 4 the corners here. And we also have a touch sensor here. So when MISA mode is on, so if you touch here on the head, she will give you lovely expression. And this is power button, and this is volume up. So one ear is volume up and one ear is volume down. And we have really very good speaker. Yeah, that's all about MISA accessories. Okay, so now we are going to show the most exciting feature, MISA Assistant. So MISA Assistant is just like another virtual assistant. You can talk with MISA, you can give her commands, even the system related settings or any other commands, general questions, whichever you usually ask with Google or Siri or Alexa, so just like that. The best thing here is MISA exists physically. And other assistants are just virtual assistant, but MISA exists. She can listen, she can hear, she can talk with you. So it gives like a little personal feeling experience, just like a companion and a friend. So let's talk with MISA. I will show how to talk. So the keyword is MISA, and you have to say the keyword and then we have to ask the question. One more feature is here. Once you are talking with MISA, no need to say all the time the keyword like hey MISA, hey MISA. We can just say okay. We can say the okay and we can follow up the questions. And Misa also understand the context of the question. Like if I'm talking about the weather, then if I say how is the weather in San Francisco, then she will say the weather. And if I want to say how is the weather in New York, no need to repeat the how is the weather. Just say what about New York, and she will answer the question. So they are really good about Misa. So let us talk with her. Hey Misa, how are you feeling today?
Good, what about you?
Okay. How is the weather today?
Weather is 32 degrees and sunny in Al Hadaiba.
Okay. What about in New York?
Weather is 17 degrees and drizzling in New York.
Okay. What is the stock price of Google today?
The bet closed at $1,615.33 US yesterday, up 1.38% since Wednesday.
Okay. Hey Misa, can you play piano? Okay. Can you make dog sound? So Misa turns into dog. Hey Misa, can you wink? Yeah, this is really funny. Hey Misa, can you cry like a baby? Okay, can you cry like a baby? Okay, so you might have seen that we have added so many emojis and emotions in Misa, and we have added many animal sound and instrument sound and many expression emojis. So it gives feelings like we are talking to a companion. And you can also give the commands like for movements or for the dance and a lot of things. Okay, so Misa can speak multi-language, and we have language setting option here. And we can select the language, and for each language there are different accents also. For example, if it is English, then we have American English, British English and all. Misa can understand the voice of the kids also, and for any age group people also with the female voice, and for the elderly people, and also for the ladies voice. So Swati, would you like to try?
Yeah, sure. Hey Misa, can you dance?
So this was all about today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed very much, and we are really excited to ship Misa to your home. And yeah, we are looking forward for the great success of Misa. And if you have any comment and feedbacks, you can comment us below, and we will be happy to help you. You can also write us to contact@heymisa.com. We will reply as soon as possible.
Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.
Have a great day.